Alright, everybody, here we go. This is Zal from www.tradingedu.com. Now I'm going to address the situation. Many of you are asking, how do you pick stocks? How do you know what the heck to trade? Well, alright, let's talk about this. We're going to address this situation right here, right now. First of all, my brokerage platform has what we call a top list. It's a top 20 list. It gives you a top 20 percentage gainers and losers on the NASDAQ and on the New York Amex. So you got everything on the NASDAQ in terms of gainers and losers, and the NYSE and the American Exchange. So that now, not everybody has this list, and if you don't, that's fine. But let me show you what the criteria is that you're looking for, and then we'll worry about where to go get it. So first of all, I go through this list. Let's focus here on the daily, because I scan using the daily charts, then zoom in intraday to find a setup. Now let's just start going through it. Let's go through the losers. I like a little hint. I like to go through both the gainers and the losers. Losers, I tend to try to find anticipated. Now the key word here is anticipated bounce longs or continuation shorts. Now again, I don't assume anything. Is it going to go long? Is it going short? I have no idea. But it's just, you guys want to know how to pick a stock to keep on your watch list. That's why they call it a watch list, because you're going to watch it. You're not going to just react to it. You're going to watch it. Let's go through here now. All right. EQIX, I called this stock out earlier today. Let's look on the daily. I mean, this is the kind of stuff I'm looking for. Big gap down. Look at the amount. This is today, all right? This thing lost about 8 points or so. Big, healthy, red bar. Definitely something that I want to keep on the radar. Look, I mean, here on almost a year-to-date chart, we don't see any valid support areas. I mean, even if we don't, that's okay. We're just putting it on the radar to keep an eye on it. So that's one I would keep on the radar. That's a good little hint here. It's definitely on my watch list. Let's look at SVVS. This is number 2 as a percentage loser on the composite on the Nasdaq. Look at here. See, a little gap down. Nice little range. It's not as big of a range, about $1 or so, give or take. Nice little range. Because of the gap, and it's just kind of separated, broke down, from this little consolidation area here, and it came down. Will it continue down? Honestly, I don't know. I mean, we could find support here. You want to get into to starting to give an idea where it might stop, but that's the problem with support and resistance. A lot of things, these are little floors, and it might or might not hold, but it's just to give you an idea where to look at it. But don't come and say, hey, look, we might be coming around a little area here, little congestion, could be a little support area. Hey, it's got to bounce from there. No, don't assume. Just keep it on your watch list. That's all we're here to do. So that's one. Let's see. Yeah, here's another one. This one I called out earlier too. Look at that. Look at that. This is today. Big, healthy red bar. I'm going to put stuff like this on the watch list. Let's see. Let me show you one of my personal ones. And here's a little hint. If the volatility is big, if you're continuing to see bars like this, the minute they start to slow down and start to look like this here, or this here, or this here, this here, this, I just start to ignore it a little bit. He's done. I don't want him on the list anymore. Let me show you one that I called out on the list here. One of my favorites here. Let's see. Was it LVS? No, that's Las Vegas. It was LPS, I think it was. Yep, look at that. I traded him yesterday on this bar here. The bars are still big. We did have a nice bounce, but you see how advantageous it can be by keeping these on your watch list. You can catch potential moves. So, you know, I showed you that on the short side. Again, it's the same thing on the long side. Um, here was one I also called out today in the room. We've been having some big drops down. Nice healthy bar. When I see healthy bars like this, big bars, again, the range was not 2-3 points, but it's still a dollar plus or a dollar or so. I definitely will keep an eye on it. Um, did I say it was going to go long? No, I didn't assume. I just reacted to what I saw when it happened in real time. This was a red flag to me because I figured that, hey, we did come around here. We broke a little pivot area right here, as you can see where it pivoted right here. We broke that right here, but then we didn't close below it. And then, it was just kind of an idea that, hey, this thing could probably move up or it could go down, who knows, but keep it on your watch list. That's how we develop watch lists and stocks to watch. Again, when volatility starts to decrease, and the way you know when volatility decreases, again, like I said, when you start to see little bitty bars like this here or this, these little spinning tops, little dojis, I go ahead and tend to ignore it a little bit more because I'm looking for volatility as a day trader. I'm looking to come in and capitalize on the imbalance signals. Well, I hope for everybody this little tutorial or whatever was helpful. And for you guys who don't have a top list with your brokerage platform, you can get this stuff for free. There's nothing wrong with scanning end of day. A lot of this, I'm going to make decisions to put them on my watch list at the end of the day. What you do here is you can find stuff here you can go to NASDAQ's website, and you can go to pre-market most active. They even gives you after hours most active. You can find stocks here that you can definitely put on your list. You want to find, again, big volatility, but it's just here will give you a good little basket of stocks and ETFs to look at. It goes up from most active by volume, the advancers and decliners. Go to the NASDAQ website, search around for it, Google it, have fun with it. Go to Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is probably one of the better ones here. The NASDAQ is good too, but you can go down here and scroll down here on Yahoo Finance. We're in Yahoo Finance. Just scroll down here and go to most active, most price percentage changes. These will alert you to stuff that's most active, or let's go to price percent. I like to go to percentage gainers. You can see you got gainers and losers, volume leaders, advances and declines. And here you go. You just go have fun with this. Pick a stock that just pick them that looks good. You see big moves up, and it's got volume, of course, and run them in your charting package, end of day charts. Look at them, and then zoom in intraday. Put them on your watch list, and find a setup that meets your criteria, whether it's a mechanical analysis, support resistance, whatever your method of analysis is. But you need to find stocks to trade, and this is how you find them. There are other ways, there are other scanners that can alert you by patterns and so forth, but this is how I do it, and this is how I find stocks. Well, I'm signing out. This is Zal from tradingedu.com. Any questions, just email me at zal@tradingedu.com, and I'll be happy to help you guys out, whatever you need. Well, you guys have a good day and happy trading.